Hey guys, it's Dr. Tyler Antignolo here from Antignolo Chiropractic. Just want to explain real quick what happens during a chiropractic adjustment. So as a chiropractor, what I'm looking for is areas of the body or joints that specifically aren't moving properly, can be out of alignment or kind of stuck. With the chiropractic adjustment, it's kind of a quick little push that helps that joint move properly and increases that joint range of motion. When the joint moves better, this helps create an environment for healing. So it helps things like someone's got neck pain, back pain, sciatica, pinched nerves, all kinds of different issues, hip pains, knee pains, ankle pains. Pretty much, if you can move it, a chiropractor can work on it. Stay blessed, stay moving. Remember, movement is medicine.